Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mega storage full issues in 2026. If you're unable to upload files, sync data, or save new content because your storage limit has been reached, this guide will help you free up space and get your account working again. First, sign in to your Mega account and check your storage usage. This will help you identify how much space is being used and what needs attention. Next, review your files and folders carefully. Look for large files, old backups, duplicate content, or items you no longer need. Now delete unnecessary files from your cloud storage. Removing unused content is often the quickest way to recover space. Next, remember to empty the Mega rubbish bin or trash folder. Deleted files may continue to use storage until they are permanently removed. If you have large media files such as videos or archives, consider downloading them to your local device and then removing them from cloud storage. Now check your synced folders. Unwanted synchronized files can consume storage without you realizing it. Next, organize your account and move important files into properly managed folders so storage is easier to monitor in the future. If multiple devices are connected to your account, review them to ensure unnecessary files are not being uploaded automatically. Now allow a few moments for Mega to update your storage information after deleting content. Finally, verify that free space is available and test uploading a small file to confirm the storage issue has been resolved. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Mega storage full issue and created more space for your files and future uploads. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.